Hey fellas, how you doing? It's been a while since I've posted. If you were watching on the Facebook channel, then you would know why. Um, Finally got the laptop replaced, and now I can actually start recording again, or I should say posting again. So this right here, sorry, that's gonna be the only sneak peek that you get as far as the upcoming videos. There's been a lot that's changed. I will try to go through them, or at least record them as I got them or as I acquired them, one or the other. And there's more that's done, but I'm not going to show you. So you'll just have to wait until those videos come out. This is also pretty much going to be the only live-ish video that I'll have, because I've still got a whole bunch that I got to get caught up on. I'm going to try to stick to the once a week that I was doing before the laptop crashed. We'll see how that goes. If I'm seeing myself getting too far behind on video uploads or releases, we might end up changing to twice a week or whatever might be necessary to get caught up. So, because I don't know about you, but I kind of like it when I see a YouTube channel that's at least somewhat caught up to what they're doing. You know, within a month or so, I should say. So, what are you doing, Chief? So, yeah, stay tuned. There's more coming.